Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can log out your Binance account from other devices. So in order to log out Binance from other devices, it's a very simple process. All you have to do is watch this video till the end and log in into your Binance account. Once you're logged into your Binance account, that's going to take you to the interface, which is going to look something like this. Tap the profile icon from the top left hand side corner. Once again, you go ahead and tap on the profile ID, and from the account center page, go to security. After you click on security, it's going to take you to this page where you'll be able to see all of these, and over here you'll be able to see this interface as devices right at the bottom. So in my case, I only happen to have my account in a single device, but if you have multiple devices, then you would just need to tap on the logout button. As soon as you do that, you'll be asked to type in the password, and then you'll be logged out of the device that you wish to do it. So that's how you can log out your Binance account from other devices. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.